In this video, we inspect the Afrikaans word flow. Flow can mean faint, but it also has quite a few other meanings. In its verb form, you can use the words flow val or flow word when you want to refer to somebody fainting. Ek val flou, I faint. Ek word flou, I am fainting. 'n flou te kry, 'n flou te kry or 'n flou te vang, 'n flou te vang. These two mean to faint or to swoon. If you're looking for the word to describe being unconscious, that one is bewusteloos, bewusteloos. Flou wees, flou wees. That means you are very tired, you are fatigued. There's another phrase you can use, and this is more colloquial, and you can say pop tires. So it's a combination of Afrikaans and English. Pop tires, literally translated, means flat tires. Ek is flou. Ek is flou. I am exhausted. Flou van honger. Flou van honger. To be faint with hunger. Flou grappie. Flou grappie. A feeble joke. Flou verskoning. Flou verskoning. A weak excuse. Flou koffie. Flou koffie. Insipid coffee. Flou poging. Flou poging. A half-hearted attempt. A flou lig. A flou lig. A weak or dim light.